remarkable, astonishing. The more you analyze this, you come to the inescapable conclusion that Jesus Christ was the fulfillment of the Old Testament prophecies. He presented himself on schedule as the Messiah, the King to Jerusalem. You say, gee, wasn't his death a tragedy? No, it was an achievement. That's what he was born for. That's what he came to do, to die for you and I.
The Messiah would die. And in the very next verse, Gabriel tells us when exactly the Messiah would die.
So from the going forth of a command concerning the restoration of Jerusalem with street and wall to the coming of Messiah, there will be 483 years. Then it says, after the 62 sevens, now it's already more than that because it counts the 7 and the 62. Then after that, that's 483 years, the anointed one, Messiah, will be cut off.
Am I therefore become your enemy because I tell you the truth?